This podcast is sponsored by authorvoices.ai. Transform your book into a captivating audiobook in minutes, not months, and for just a fraction of the cost. Discover the future of narration at authorvoices.ai today.
Overcoming AI. Book narration bias, a guide for authors using AI. Voice generators. Learn how AI book narration bias affects your audiobooks and how authors can use AI voice generators to create authentic, engaging narration. Understanding AI. Book narration bias, what every author should know. Hey there, authors! If you've been thinking about jumping into the world of audiobooks or experimenting with AI narration for books, you're on the right track. Technology is reshaping how stories are told, and AI voice generators are making audiobook creation faster and more affordable than ever. However, before you get all excited, it's essential to understand a subtle but important challenge: AI book narration bias. So, what exactly is this bias, and why should you care? Let's explore. What is AI narration bias? When we talk about bias in AI, we're usually referring to the subtle, sometimes unintentional prejudices or limitations that AI systems can display. These biases don't come from a human's explicit intention, but from the datasets and programming behind the AI. In the case of AI audiobook narration, bias can appear in several ways. Voice diversity. Many AI voice generators rely on limited voice profiles that often reflect predominant accents, genders, or cultural nuances. This can make narrations less inclusive or fail to accurately portray diverse characters. Pronunciation and intonation. I struggle with names, dialects, or phrases from different languages, often defaulting to incorrect pronunciations that affect listener immersion. Emotion and expression. Books are rich with emotion, but some AI narrators can sound flat or misplace emotions, producing a narration that feels unnatural or biased toward a specific style. Why bias matters for authors. As an author, your work is an extension of your voice, culture, and creative vision. When an AI narrator struggles to capture that nuance, your story's impact diminishes. Imagine a character with a distinct regional accent being narrated in a monotone, generic voice. It simply doesn't do justice to your writing. Additionally, audiobook listeners are more diverse than ever before. If an AI narration lacks inclusive voice options or misrepresents cultural expressions, it can alienate potential readers or listeners. So, the bias in AI narration isn't just a technical hiccup. It's something that can profoundly influence how your work is received. How does this bias happen? Bias usually stems from the training data used to develop these AI voice generators. These systems learn from vast amounts of voice recordings and text, often sourced from limited demographics or geographic locations. If most of the data reflects one accent or culture, the AI will naturally reproduce those patterns more accurately than others. Moreover, when AI models try to convert text to speech, they rely on rules or machine learning to interpret contexts, emotions, and speech rhythms. If the training dataset is skewed towards certain styles or languages, the narration might not sound as authentic for other styles. What can authors do about this? Here's the good news. Advances in AI are happening fast, and there are already steps you can take to ensure your AI audiobook narration gets closer to your vision. Choose AI services with diverse voice libraries. Look for platforms that offer a wide range of voices, accents, and expressive styles. This helps match narration to your characters and story settings. Test pronunciation and phrasing. Don't just accept the first audio you get. Review how the handles proper names and unique phrases, and use customization tools to correct mispronunciations. Provide detailed direction. Some AI narration services let you input emotional cues or pacing preferences. Take advantage of these features to bring out the right tone and mood. Stay updated on AI improvements. New breakthroughs regularly improve how AI interprets and vocalizes text, so keep an eye on advancements that reduce bias and increase authenticity. How tools like authorvoices.ai help. For authors interested in exploring AI book narration without losing their creative essence, platforms like authorvoices.ai offer incredible resources. They specialize in delivering AI narration that's both high quality and thoughtfully designed to respect the nuances of storytelling. Authorvoices.ai understands that each book is unique, and their AI voice generator tools come with customization options to fine-tune narration style, emotion, and even character voices. This helps authors avoid the trap of one-size-fits-all narration and get a product that feels closer to a professional human narrator, without the high costs or delays. Final thoughts. Embrace AI narration, but with eyes wide open. The future of audiobooks includes AI narration as a major player, offering authors faster, more accessible ways to bring their books to audio formats. But understanding potential pitfalls, particularly around AI book narration bias, is key to making this technology work for you. Don't let worries about bias hold you back. Instead, arm yourself with awareness and choose voices wisely. Experiment, test, and refine. Technology is there to expand your reach, not limit it. If you're ready to take that next step, check out authorvoices.ai. Their platform is tailored to help you create audiobook narrations that honor the spirit of your work while embracing the power of AI. Voice generation. Keep pushing the boundaries of your creativity and let technology be your storytelling sidekick.